guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Frustrate our brothers, many of our men from Edo states. I go talk, put I go rest. I go want me solution day. Talk loss the one we go come from my papa land. Where they for bomb me. Where I for dig rabbit hole. Where my papa for do a young way. Matter go come. I dey take time before I dey do anything I dey do. I talk for my first video. I don't know say Obaname go share food from my papa village every car. I don't know. I don't know say Obaname want be the event center for there. I don't dey for this Euro because I don't get document, I don't get paper. They don't tell me say my papa land where would they farm for that village. They don't sell all of the finish. I don't want to make trouble with anybody. I be the wait when I get my document from this house. If they don't know me, I'll describe myself for them. Where me want to put my chiran for inside, in your face, my papa house. Now then they call Adabi. Now then they call Adabi. For century of years, nobody have opened that place. They can pass through there. But the people that really brought up in my village, if they know what I'm saying, if they can know deep, if there is a senior man in my father's village, is there I'm going to put my chiran? It's not quite long. Any moment from next year, next 2 years, I will be there in my father's village. I don't see and say, the way our men, they frustrate many of our sisters in the today, I know they like them. Talk to us, say the one we call for my papa village. Our Benin people say, I'm everybody friend. I'm not everybody enemy. But they say the truth is bitter. When you say the truth, I cannot say. Something could happen from my papa village. I don't go talk truth because of money or because of anything. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and loses his soul? I see this our sister, he cry come out, Obaname. He's go to 3 months now. He not shame, he cry come out. What belong to him? See what they go wrong, see what they go wrong. I begin to find out information. It's my father's village. Nobody can tell me what is happening in my father's village. I can tell people what is happening in my father's village. If you know you are a presenter, you don't want to disgrace yourself, you don't want to fool yourself into society, better quiet and begin to watch the match. This is my father's village. It's where I was brought up. You cannot tell me. Now me know my people. You cannot describe my people for me. I know the tune of my village people. Why you do not know the tune? We are nice in our village. We are nice. There are families that are trickish in my village. They are very trickish. There are families. They may nice in one side, they may trickish in another side. It's just like that in my father's village. Yes, my brothers and my sisters, share this video, let it go viral. When I know my English video go back and front. The good one, Mokuna, they take on. I know be picking where go school. The time my person when I go school, I go to take rabbit hole. I say people will go school, they'll go school. They not go see work, they'll come, they do conductor. They know get work. Can I make me not go? Make una not blame me too much. Make una not blame my papa. And me not go blame me. So, una good morning, my people. Since matter Obaname, it don't come out since 3 years. It's since 3 months in this social media. The way they take come is to come and fool my sister Obaname, to disgrace my sister Obaname. Now the way they take on social media, when they take bring the matter come, it was like that. I cannot say lies. They wanted to body shame me and give him disgrace. But person like me, that's why some people say, they tell people say, Atiti not good, Atiti not good, and the truth not make me good for life. The truth now make me not good. Where they go to say run for Atiti, run for Atiti. Now the truth now make me that the same you run for me. I not get one person when I did join. I must always say the truth to the world as it be. I'm very different person entirely in life. I'm here in the world to tell the world the truth. To do according to what is in the Bible you people are serving. Or to do what according to the instruction or caution traditionally. I'm not a supporter of money. A little that I have. A little that can satisfy my stomach. I'm contented with it. If you have mansion, you have your estate, it's not my business. If you should buy tomorrow, my son is not come to reality. They're not getting the property. If me buy tomorrow, silly pass. Where I live, if I don't get us here. If my pikin don't like the silly pass, go throw away am. He go buy his own silly pass for market. Why I want come do wetin e no go let pikin take pass road tomorrow. Una good morning, my people. Make una share the video. Na broken English I want speak throughout. Una share the video. As I talk with parable. I differentiate them with white parables. I beg, if you just come, make you the press. I like your team. I like your team, but they there. I love your team. They make you the presser. The way they are treating our sister, it make our sister to get both her hearts around the old glue today. The way women are treating our sisters, it make our sister today brutal. And the world today will say women not good, women not good, women not good. Now we be men. Now custom. Una good morning. God will bless all of una. Make una share the video. Make una share it. Our sister Obaname, all of una know when the MTN machine, we say be Oduma Ogovia. We come from a papa village. All of una know, many of una don't know. We say you get 50 workers. God don't bless them. Say the man na person now make them better for life. He say na person make them better. Oh. He say na who say now they call the person who make them better. You do better. You dey proud everywhere in the world. You dey scatter money for dance. You dey fly around the globe. They say if one person better for village, it dey hard. For some secret of years. That village is a great country. It's a great village. That village. I want to come back home first. As I'm talking, I know your money will be deceiving you. Your money will be deceiving you. Yes, my people, Obalame, good morning. MTN, good morning. People around the world, good morning. Our sister don't cry, come out. Obalame is 2 months as I talk and they go. When I see the video the first time, the way they take bring the matter across social media, I know they want to blackmail, they want to disgrace my sister, Obalame. I did not allow anybody to do that. I did not allow anybody. Although many of them see disgracing, see blackmailing. As far to me that is talking, it get to a time, the way Obalame speak to me, or the way he do things, I was annoyed. But my spirit tell me, what are you doing, my son? And I realize, I came back to come and do a video. Now, MTN promised us, when he get back home to Nigeria, he's going to do the seal of oath to submit, to do the agreement paper, to go and submit, to give up Obalame, to go and submit to seal of oath. But when MTN get to Nigeria, I get to Loadooh, my papa village, what I was seeing is videos. Is video. I did not see the 2 man that is standing. It did not show us the 2 man that Obalame lap. It did not show us. These people of the CEO that he come to the land, we did not see them. We only see some set of men for there. We only see some sort of men. Our Benin people without Oduma. Our Benin people without Oduma. This woman, Obalame, they build that event. They build that event. Now, may build them, may they surprise people. No be, you never build and finish. May they narrate and say for the whole world. No be made the narrator for the whole world. See this one, Obalame event. Now because of wayward character, bad character. You know, say some people dey when you go get upper hand for village. You don't want no other person to spring up. You don't want. Now MTN machine be. This MTN machine and the say so. We are just starting. We are just starting my country people. I know say if I talk now, I go say one time my papa village. You get the people when you go fit do one time my papa village. If I die because of a truth in my father's village, it's not a big deal. MTN machine. Share the video. I come again. Presenters. This one of my papa village. I know say they don't cut land for many of una. They don't give many of una money. My papa village. If I did do anything bad to MTN, that village, then they for Bona. If anything, MTN they do anything bad to me, now that village they for Bona. The Ojuju of that land, Adabi, we me know when I want to go serve. If I they treat MTN bad, maybe the Ojuju strike me. Now wait it good, now they tell them. Now wait it good, now they tell them. I to gather people for community. Many complain, money complain for this period. It don't reach my hand. Out to 8 complain wey don't reach my hand for my papa village. Foreigners, they complain to me. Villagers, they complain to me. My people, una good morning. We know say Obalame, as una talk and say, he sleep with NTM. NTM sleep with him. As I they talk and they come, right from day one. That one not be matter when he consign me. The matter when he first consign me, now be this one, 62 years, with the event center, with the go my papa lands. He not get eggs. He not get tea. Why I say he not get tea? If they say they don't beat that event center finishes then, maybe if I go ask now, I go say who build this one, they'll say no Obana me. Also Obana me, they'll come describe am for me. Say he come my papa village. Now good thing they find they go. The good thing where they find they go may reach in hand. My country people. Now we deal since then. MTN come Europe 2 weeks ago, a month ago. He come out for live video. He say he go rectify Obaname lands. The whole world saying. But MTN going back home, he was showing us another thing in totally to deceive the world, to deceive the people. If you can deceive the people that know how to read the BCD, you cannot deceive me, the illiterate of the whole Edo state or the whole Nigeria states. You cannot deceive me. I know what is good. I know what is bad. MTN machine. You have evil agenda to that land. MTN machine. You have evil agenda to that land, to that our lands. You are not a good person. You are just deceiving people of the world. I know if I talk now, you say I should come back home. You will buy me. No problem. The day I will come, I will still call you. I'm in my father's house. Come and buy me in my father's house. If I go piano, I must piano na le la. MTN machine. When are you go to rectify Obaname's lands to give her a property? It's getting too long, more than 2 years plus. You have been fighting for say your votes. If you don't have it, you people want to blackmail Obaname before, because he removed shame, removed disgrace for her. He came to live video to cry out, to cry to the world. Obaname, since I know of Obaname for more than 8 years, I never seen in this sort of character like this. Before Obaname cry out to come and speak to the world, see what is going on. And some idiots, they are not supporting MTN for the arts. MTN, the good thing that is coming to my father's land, Evileka. MTN is pursuing the good thing away from my father's land. Even no matter how you worry, present any FFF, every man you worry. Even no matter how you go wa or how woman wa be a day, every young man you worry. A bonny way at that be when you move buwani, the young move buwani. Ematama get inside and shut your mouth and keep quiet. The topic and even imagine auto or baname when I'm money. No why really wanted to blackmail, wanted to disgrace him at the world. Because he have personality. I so much thank God. It's a woman. No, mama see. Ona explain the feelings and magmon. And imagine again, you know what county. What do I have more boto? What do I disgrace here? Obana me all say, man. He come when I call him on my phone. Oh, you know, I go on my one. But I have to do the right thing in my father's land. MTN machine. I know you have the money. I know you have money. You're proud of money. I know you have money. You're proud of money. But I must surely tell you the truth. No sauna ne. Adazoi ne adazowa. Okay. Adazoi ne adazowa. Obukbe anegele ajo wa abo degbe egiri. Ave ma no lega egele, here will nothing dey happen, nothing dey happen, nothing dey happen. Ave ma no fio si negele, here wo deshi, odeshi. Egele ga pane, e ma no lega e, if I degi fo obiyan. If I de ori fo obiyan. Ti he agbe ma ehan. Agena na abo egele ode. Deti ya tamegele na we ni ya kai na ni make na yemi rai, but we no wait until they happen. Would nya atiti gari wa gbe wa mi megbe o, but ya te mata ma wa obi e wo po ma ya hin wa no le lenti ehian the by man obi otu no ya vio ba gbe no ya kegbe otu no ya vio ba gbe no ya kegbe the by vie wo me no ya no vio hian MTN na omi wayo no sorry era gbona omi bebeye no sorry era gbona okay kakabo da mewu we no sikegwa okay kakabo da MTN we no sikegwa we na li la dia no go ba dole doyi wo wiwo wo le Bori onu do dia ni we na bori onu we do dia ni we na bo bana me si we la dia o we ri disgrace get do ben we onu we ti amo bana me gbo to wulo da o we oli ke we kere da de ma wo wa ti egbe na wo ni age inu yen we se ben wa we They do we say I could have come out of prison and proud. Asia no buy to no for. I may not be in my father's land. There will not be here more than years in my life apart from the day. Naga amuje me kinana amuje me yuto. But why? Wazuwa Bamuye me pa UBT age Ubowo. You know, we have to give my father the last respect. Manamu de Joshua really can for 10 minutes. 10 minutes igbalena wina ni apa. That is more than years. Other the first day if you well ava. Ni mu de Joshua if you well ava say. They all go and me adu mu iba maybe we osaba we say iwa we ga dey 200 by 200 be go maybe the 100 by 100 we iriri we GRO ibe de wokun ibe de bi gwadolo we no saba we no ma me maria gbona do profile mi yan ragbona no saba ade ni me bo ni aseti wi adolagbon yi e me kwa lokin ego na me na ya wo ko na ya gbokpe wa na ya gbokwo wa egbo ni megwa lo emi video no MTN machine mama e so o kere ma yi na o kere ma yi na we ga gbe me ga ye gbe nu we gbe obono wo kan mu gbokuta won omo eyan ewe na As I say again, presenter. Adabi no re wera meni. Hotel woni. Ana fi ton wewe woni. Be mata magu we tawe keso bana me wa anyo toni. Eje no fi ogwela tano eje ro wa afian wo. Eje no fi ogwela tano eje ro wa afian wo. Boso pe ni awi pe ana. Iyan ke di with ikuma. You woman of whom you turn up berry of which in my agui and he kagani are this central. edimofi ona mu Richard ladian Richard Erichi ona mu ladian ukpe vagberegbe oya gbe Richi ne Richi vie wi omo wiye no vi ogo mo wiye no vie wi omo wiye no vi ogo mo wiye wa ge abi presenters now but ogo bana minari yina iladian yina da aka we edimofi na da aka we aliyeke we Loadooh we because afion tone we wirane Erichi mami to fian edimofi Erichi mami to fian edimofi oyeri edimofi ya agbe Richi for so many couples of years ogona mehi akwe ewe na MTN machine rectify to na no mu no baname no we mi no keke no we ya delay alone we ya delay okay no we no rufo one ne o rufe ne because no delay scenario owe mi yen gwala oze ba e wo no sagie ade wo ni e wo no sagie ade wo ni do man we do man we zero any making ayo bo gban mu fo wa iyewe ami ono wa bemiku but me make our banana wa bemiku ni a gbanu buti ewo wa bemiku but me make our wa bemiku ege everyday ni adu ya gwegu wa bemiku no but even make our egui na arun paga ferewo no make ekatosi no make dan e pe nurupa ba be wo ni o ni aka ni ise ni awo ni oni on wa dan be wo MTN machine okay MTN machine e wo ni boro pitiro e wo ni nkyono to amenu we yo zagada buya filigo kwa biku ere so ga wu udemila muyan iye so ga du wu udemila oni yobo igono laja iboro pit ni oga mi le ka eboro ka boro pit we are when we have via we ne ye webo a year ne woni yakpai ni yakpa ike ni ayere wa o mai but wa we you e the batunu vio gagbe no pia agun woni agbe wa ko agun woni agbe wa uya eko kiyan uyi go filo ki abi ku na wu ma gbe wa yi go deli yon ma yan na wu ma gbe MTN machine ibi edo no go me wa to wa pe ma we MTN machine igwe iyan we ta ka me ma ko no na wa baby ku agbon no me kina fi were e ima dolo mo yi maria ma wa o se ti me go so me o se ti me go so me o ko ni agba wo egba zo se for 2 years plus no doctor we woman o me 20 year woman also la diana emi buno italo kere ni yaadi emi buno italo idame evidie ya kere yaadi emi buno italo emi buno we talo ni erebe ya nota emi no bi do talo mame moto yan 6 or 8 ne we woni if you do not go me it took be na to go na to your mo ya fe but when a machine no rectify Otoba na me no mune any another man my video ni but we no rectify Otoge no mune if you do it took be na to go na to your mo ya fe but when a machine or more egbe ogelika but we no rectify Ote Obana me no moto ene imagwaligo boku ya imagwaligo boku but wakama no rectify Obana me no mune Obana me weta severi owe owiyan adogbi won Obana me uru bene do ise ebi ro pana uwe uru okay ni be ni no yo ogbogba iman of yokiani iman owe ni evyokiani no gbina ni iya gbogba gawe ikpe anobun iya ma be na anyi e wagbon ikpe anobun na be na anyi e wagbon MTN machine imere ewendo gyungwo we na akono ogyogyo iyi kamwegwe au aya okano mawo adubo miewe ufe yobo muso to guje obo every 6 months e mata no reme wie yi ho e de no ami menu ya no me iyo to na really carve but na ame ho ya treat we bad but ogene mata ya tamawe ogene mata obalegbe ogene mata oyopia yawe mi no ma keke no wu e kian do tamawe nu ya kiri we mi dan nu ye ma wu to ne dori nu ya kiri e mi dan nu ye ma wu to ne veleka nu ya fi were usaunu ene una yekenu kede una yekenu yebede na o ma kenu we wo pe aho o ma konu wo ho but eko na busy eko na ya mu ewori a ogwewe MTN machine if you do no go me itope atoko ni ajo pegbe we petu we na ya ji wina iya mwegbe iya so iya demi level 2 na 2 o'clock ya ji wina na do mu me de unukere ni do gina hin if you do no go me waka MTN machine ima obana me de obana me e video na mion igba vibe gwegun ani kere video na the second one ya gwegun yen bi no ya gumegun but o na te mu me o mari mu me no dey no ma no do mu ye wera me no se ti di ba no mo no se ti di ba ni iyenye na ga su ni e gina MTN machine ma no live e wa ni MTN machine o no yo bogma fo a agwa o ga be gbe ku obon mojo ya te mata mawe e ma no lele we kian di na ori te mata mo ya ha mo mata opia na new generation prophet Atiti obokuta ne gbewe ne gbopa iya ka mo mata ji style filo ma we itan e ya fili mi gwe no bun no we mana asopopa do wari gbe ori o gbe wa no gwo eni Oni gbewa no go any. Dog afi weri. Iyan we dokpa o han yedo yore. Ewa ya no kadwo no ogwo no so wena. We know deni. We know deni. No kadwo no so wena ya fefefe. Iyan ga reni gbe 10 years 12 years iyan reni o deni. Do ni so asu ni amawe so asu ni amawe. Do ni so asu ni amawe so asu ni amawe. Iya wo ko gbo wa o ko si wa. Ewi edo no ya ipitan. Iya makon. Iya wo ko gbo wa ko si wa. Ewi no bun no bana me talo kere da de eti ma on. Eti ma on. Ibadan yo yi. Supopa e ma no bun no wi agwo ba dole wo yi not e ko de. Iya ma mi ma tata. Na do weti zo we popo. Ndo me go se me o che ma wo kin o se na gbe nu na gbe igbe kere da de. Ena yibe gbe na gwana iwon gbe da me o won teme ya gian ni agbele yan wa oni ya arrest yan but e mata no real time awe e ka to sinu me fi ko we wiri e mo e vie woni ma ka woni ri ino bu ma ka e ka to si iyan ri we sese but e kiyan ni ya we dan oro na mu ya we gbe iyan bu we woni we ri o MTN okay beni gwanania iktamo na we ose we ya vivi ye meladian we ya mu history meladian okay wo me na we MTN re ne ose na ya history meladian ne ne ikata first video ni o MTN machine REC of foods ikama we there ni and with that gay rebecon volley becon ni viokwa volley becon ni we is of your new wole viokwa no fear 9 feet ni wo no fear 17 inches ni wo de 200 by 200 event center ni mu de gbegbe yo ni we u de gbegbe yo ni u de gbe ya fie 3 by 300 of no bala me bi yo mi you are saying yeke because erigu kwa ni pia yage erichi wedene na omo wiye iyan we to yiye na meme wudun omo wiye na meme eru wa ni pia onu wa yi ku ma hian wana mi ku ma no seye e Sonia odafian gagare Nigeria iyan giro o fake life na we odafian ya live in Nigeria iyan gage ina gwe aro wa owo ge muyan emi na wi pe na isi gbe ku ma na hina so if you do no go me ri tase